Alright, I'm gonna take this rifle apart. I'm just gonna take it apart to the best of my knowledge. Yeah, I'm just gonna get straight to it now. So first thing is to make sure that it's clear. I do keep a full mag in, but there is nothing in the chamber. Yep. Okay. So now, let's start from the front. Now, this is not really necessary to take apart. There you go. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video. So this little nut, or cover, whatever, that's for the front because it's threaded for suppressors. Moving on, I'm now going to take out the bolt, which is interesting. I'll show it on this side because it's only on this side, and I'll zoom in for you. Okay. So I've been trying to figure out exactly where to have it, but it should, there we go, come out. Here's your 3-lug bolt. For this part, I will need a Allen wrench, and the one I'm using is the, I doubt this is gonna pop up, but it's that one. It's a 3/16. I don't know how to say that properly, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this over upside down, and we are going to take apart or unscrew the mag weld. Honestly, this rifle truly is, I screwed it tight. Okay, it's hard to do it from this angle, okay? There we go. Start with that side. Once you get it loosened, then things work out. But as I was saying, I find this rifle to be very interesting. The more and more I work on it, I want to get myself one chambered in 5.56 just to make it easier. Maybe down the road. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's out. Oh, there we go. So we got the mag weld, and you can see it uses a AR-15 mag release. That's why these are so, well, not that being the only reason, but it's one of the reasons why they're so compatible with their mags. Now the entire stock should just fall right out. Thankfully, it's upside down. There we go. And that is it. Let me see if I can move this. There you go. So that's everything. Get it all on camera. You got your, like I said, 3-lug bolt, magazine, ammo, thread cover, I would assume, mag weld, receiver and barrel together. I don't know if they're fused together, but yeah. You also got your trigger assembly and your stock. You know, screw it. I'll just do this. We're on a roll. So how to take the bipod out is to just unscrew this bit right here underneath. I don't like putting it back, that's the problem. But once you unscrew it, which you don't need to unscrew it that much, but it turns out, yeah, there we go. Got one side, the other side, there you go. So you can see, oh, it fell out. Well, actually, that's a good thing. Let's put this up. So you can see right here, this is how it connects, these two little things. They connect into each other like that. Where the, I would assume the, where you would put your sling mount, because there's a there's the exact one on the rear. And in case those who are interested, for those who are interested, this is what it looks like when you do this. There you go. I don't know why, but that always interests me. Just seeing how the mag goes into the firearm interests me. But anyways, I will probably speed this up when I put it back together. Maybe not too much, just in case there are people who are new to this. I will definitely speed up the part for the bipod, but I'm going to start with everything else before and then do the bipod last. Okay, cool. So first things first is I'm going to get the barrel and receiver. Almost done. Gonna do the bipod now. So you'd have to put these through that hole right there. If you see my middle finger, there you go. And people make it seem so easy, but it can be kind of a hassle. So, especially if you're new to it. All right, I have attached it on. Sorry I couldn't show it, but you know, didn't feel like wasting anyone's time more than I already have. Unless you're finding this educational, then I'm not wasting your time. And for those who are curious, this is a carbon bipod, a carbon steel bipod from Amazon. I know, Amazon, yada, yada, yada. I don't like them either. Anyways, you just click the button, it extends as a, so it can go all the way out to that bit, but once you put it on something, it might go back down a little bit. Thankfully, it's good right there. And you can see that that's the farthest position. And there's that, we'll count that as 1, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 all the way closed. 6 positions. This is a really good bipod. There you go. And our mag, which I love that the cutout in the bolt allows you to just seat the mag in. There you go. Don't gotta beat it in. So anyways, hope that was somewhat helpful. Thanks for watching.